So this is the street. You can see. This is your street. You can see this side or down to that wood. Everything is being arranged. It's being prepared where you can see. Down to your house gate, you can see your house. Down this side, you can see everything is good. The road is straight and clear. Down to Mamadupe house. Okay, I might go to do the video. And yeah, I might have to go come. And yeah, we'll talk. Okay. Yes, I might go come. So this thing is just like this thing here is just kind of like junking and this thing. So they are trying to like finish this thing and examine this thing. The street is still going down here. Good morning, ma. Fine, ma. So maybe by the time they will take this thing over here. So I'm thinking they are supplying this thing to carry it. I know why we don't want to go higher for 1 month here. Yeah, hold on. I don't carry and boom. And you for tell me since.